In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Razer Hammerhead Pro V2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing issues with your Razer Hammerhead Pro V2 earbuds can involve several troubleshooting steps depending on the problem that you are having. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of common issues and how to address them. First, if you are having sound issues, so no audio, distorted audio, low volume, or if they simply aren't working, then check the connection. Ensure that the 3.5mm audio jack is fully inserted and securely plugged into the device where you want to use your earbuds. If you are using a splitter for PC, make sure that it is also correctly connected. Clean the audio jack and port. So if you notice that there is any sort of dust, debris, hair, or anything that could be blocking this connection, make sure that you clean it thoroughly. And test with another device. So if you are trying to connect it to a PC, maybe try using the earbuds on a smartphone, for example. And if they work on the smartphone but they don't work on the PC, it indicates that the earbuds are fine, but it is a problem with the setup on PC. So basically, try to eliminate the issue. If you don't have another device to connect into, then it's going to be a little bit more difficult to troubleshoot. Make sure that the volume is turned up on both your earbuds if they have inline controls, so you can use the buttons available here. And of course, on the device itself, if the audio is muted or you don't select the earbuds as the proper audio device that you are using, so when you are inside of a game, for example, or on Discord, then you simply aren't going to be able to hear anything. And of course, examine the cable for damages. If you notice that the cable is damaged, it has a lot of cuts, some sort of fraying or bends, this could indicate issues. Make sure that the cable is somewhat straight and you don't curve it too much or bend it. If you are having microphone issues, check the connections once again and go over to the audio settings on your device. Make sure that the input devices are set up correctly and that you activate the microphone on your particular model of earbuds if it has one available. And besides this, there is not much else to do. These earbuds are simple to use, they are plug and play, so as soon as you plug it in using the 3.5mm cable, you should be good to go. If you are still having trouble using them, and they work on some devices but not others, it indicates a problem with the particular device that you are using, but if they don't work on any device that you connect them to, then it could be a faulty issue or a hardware issue. So in this case, I would highly recommend getting them replaced. I hope I was able to help you in how to fix Razer Hammerhead Pro V2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.